Okay, Emily. So today we're going to talk about money. And we're going to learn about coins. Okay? So I'm going to show you here I have pennies. This right here is a penny. Oopsie. That one. This is a penny. Okay? This is a nickel. This is a dime. And this is a quarter. Okay? So, a penny is worth... I'm actually... What? You know? Yes. Okay, so a penny, I'm going to write it here. 1 penny, I'm going to put it there, equals 1 cent. And this right here is the cent sign. So that tells us that that's 1 cent. Okay? This nickel equals 5 cents.
And this 10.
This dime equals
10 cents.
10 cents.
25 cents.
Wow. This equals
25.
a quarter equals 25 cents. Okay. So what this sign is what again?
Cent.
The cent sign. Okay. So we'll leave this chart,
Right
little
here?
thing right here. We can kind of look back on it. Okay. Okay, well I'm going to ask you and see if you really know what this. What's the name of this one?
That color?
This one.
Nickel.
Yes, nickel. And how much is a nickel worth?
5.
5 cents. Okay. What's the name of this coin?
Penny.
And how much is it worth?
1 cent.
Okay. And what is this coin?
Quarter. It equals 25.
25 cents. And this coin is a
Dime.
and it
Equals 10 cents.
10 cents. Okay. So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to use these connecting cubes. Do you remember our last lesson that we used? Okay. Well, we didn't get to use these, but we kind of had to do with this. So I'm going to show you how much it's worth. Okay, so here we know that a penny is 1 cent, right? So that would be 1, right? A nickel
It's 5 cents.
5 cents. So that means that we need how many?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. 5 cents. So this we would kind of say that this is like a penny, each one of these, right? So, and then the dime is worth
10 cents.
10 cents. Here, can you count 10?
1.
It is 10? Let me see.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right. That's
That's a
10. That one's going to be a little...
I can do that one.
Okay, go ahead and do that one. Because a quarter is worth...
25 cents.
Okay.
3, 4, 5. Whoa!
Whoa.
8, 9, Oh. 13. 14. There's 14.
I don't know.
1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15,
Oopsie.
16,
16, I'm gonna help you. 17,
18.
18, 19,
Woo.
20, 21, 22. Whoopsie.
23 and 24 and 25.
25. Okay, here. Put
That's
it on
the
that one.
biggest one.
That's the biggest one. I'll put it over here. 25 cents.
Wow.
And we said that one of these is how much?
1 cent.
1 cent. So that means that to make a nickel, which is 5, how many pennies will we need? How many did we say? 5 pennies. To make a dime, how many pennies would we need?
10.
And to make a quarter, how many pennies would we need?
25.
25. Okay. So we got that, right? Okay.
It's longer than this table.
It is. All right. So we got that idea. Now we're going to see if you can count by fives.
Okay.
Because we said that a nickel is worth 5 cents, right? So we would have to count every single one of them by
5.
because they're worth 5. Okay. So let's see. Go ahead and count.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay. So can you write? Where'd the marker go? There it is. Can you write? Let's turn this over. Can you write 50 cents?
Okay. Where?
Just go ahead. Write 1. Number 1. Go ahead and write 50 cents. $50. What number is this?
Dear. Look at the A.
Looks like an A.
There.
Okay, let's see. Let's try that again. Let's mark that one off. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay. So we said 50. How much did you count?
50.
$50?
Yeah.
You counted $50.
No, 50.
50 what? What did we say that this sign is?
Cent.
Okay, so how much did you count? 50 what?
50 cents.
50 cents. There we go. Good. Okay, that's better. Let's see if you can count by
10.
tens. Okay.
Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110?
Yeah.
How do you
So,
do 100?
110. So you made 100, right? So if you have 100 of these, I wasn't expecting for it to be 100, so I'm sorry. But since you counted 100, how many, if you have 100 cents, what does that make? Do you know? It makes a whole...
$1.
Yeah, good job. It makes a whole dollar. Where's my dollar? Come on here.
Do I write it?
Yes. It makes a whole dollar. 100 cents makes a whole dollar. Look, here's a dollar right there. Okay. Actually, when we write a dollar, we do. This is. Remember, because this is cents.
Oh yeah, let me
How
do
we
an S.
Yes. How do we do a dollar? The dollar sign.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's going to be the dollar sign first, and then it's 1 decimal 0 0. That's $1. Okay. Now, I'm going to put some coins in front of you, and I'm going to see if you can count them.
Okay.
Oh, we can try the quarters. I'm sorry. Let's try the quarters first. See if you can count quarters.
That's hard.
Yeah, this is a little tricky. A little tricky. Because we said that a quarter is, how much is it worth?
25.
25 cents. Okay. See, so 1 quarter is
25. 26.
26.
Yeah.
26 would be 1 more, right? That we would add, so we would just add a penny. And I'm adding another quarter. This is a little tricky. So it would be 25, 50. And let's say we would have another one that would be 75 cents. Because we count 25 plus 25 plus another 25. So that's what it makes. 25, 50, 75 cents. 3 quarters is 75 cents. But we're going to leave that one. We're not going to, at least you know how much it's worth. We're not really going to work with that one. So, okay. So I'm going to give you some change, and I'm going to want you to count it, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, can you tell me how many cents you have? First, tell me what coins do you have?
Done.
You have one penny and 1 nickel. Right? Okay. And so when we count money, a good idea is to start with the larger one.
Okay.
And it makes it a lot easier.
I know what it makes already.
Oh, good. It makes $6 $6.
Yeah.
$6.
$6.
This makes $6.
$6.
You sure? $6. So you're telling me that this right here makes $6. This is a $5 bill and a $1 bill. This is 5 cents and 1 cent. So remember we talked about that the coin, these 6 cents, remember? 5 and 1 penny. It's just making 6 cents. It's not making dollars. Not yet. Whenever we make 100 cents, then we go to a dollar. Yes. But since we're not at 100 cents, then we're still at cents, right? We're not at a dollar. Okay, so you said go ahead and write it down. No, how much do you have total? How much did you say?
6.
6 what?
Cents.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Can you count that? Which one's the larger amount? Oh, where do we have? Let's go back to our... Just put our little chart to help you. Remember the dime is really small. Okay? So which one is our larger amount? Is this one worth more than this one? Look, the nickel,
Wait, no, this one.
the dime, right, is worth more. So we're going to start counting with this one. So you would count
10. 50.
Yeah. So how many cents?
15.
Good job. Let's go ahead and write it here. So write your, how much? 15 cents. Okay. Make it a little tricky. It's a little tricky for you. Okay.
10, 25.
Good. 25. 25
Cents.
cents. Remember, we have to say 25 cents. Do you notice anything that we could do with this? Could we trade this off for something else? This is 2 dimes and a nickel. Look, you said that it came out to be 25 cents. Do we have a coin here that's worth 25 cents?
A quarter.
So what does that mean? What could we do?
Put a quarter down here.
We could switch it out, right? Because it would be the same amount. So this quarter is the same amount as this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Count those.
10 cents.
10 cents. Good job. Good. So, is there another dime, another coin that we could trade this in for? We could trade it in for a what? What is that coin called?
Dime.
A dime. Good. We could trade it in for a dime. All right. Let's see if you can. Go ahead. Well, no, I'm just kidding. I'm going to make it really tricky for you because, let me see, I'm going to try to trick you.
My teacher said it was smart cookie.
You're a smart cookie?
Yes, no?
Okay, let me see. We would start off with the one that's worth what?
The most.
Okay, and which one's worth the most? Which one is worth the most? Show me which one is.
This one.
This is a nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
And this is a...
Wait, this one.
This one's worth more, right? So let's go ahead and start with this one. I want to hear you count out loud. Let's try to count out loud. So we can move one to the side. So we would say
10, 20.
5 more to 20. I'm going to show you something. We can
25.
Good. 25.
26, 27, 28.
Good job. You are one smart cookie. 28 cents. All right. Good job. Okay. So let's try to turn this around and see if you remember how much it's worth. So this is a...
Penny.
And it's worth?
1 cent.
Okay. This is a...
Quarter.
Yes, and it's worth?
25 cents.
Okay. This is a...
Nickel.
And it's worth?
5 cents.
And this?
Dime equals
A dime?
10 cents.
10 cents. Alright. So now, I have like 2 games that you can choose from online.
Yay!
That are going to help you practice money. Just what we just talked about.
Money is very important.
It is important. Okay, so come on. I'm going to show you. Let's see. Okay, so here it says, which one do you want to buy?
Ducky.
Okay, click on it. Okay, so how much is the duck worth?
25 cents.
It costs 25 cents. So, which one are you going to click on?
This one. Wait. No.
I'm going to put our little chart up so it can remind you of what each one is worth. Which coin is worth 25 cents?
This one.
Yes, and it's called a quarter.
Quarter.
Click on it. Click on it?
Yeah?
Oh, there it goes.
Good work. Next.
Okay. Which one would you want to buy?
Ice cream.
Ah,
50. Oh, that's a lot.
50 cents. We said that a quarter is worth 25 cents. This one's a little tricky, so I can help you. Remember, we said 1 quarter is 25, and another 25 would be 50 cents. 2 quarters equals 50 cents.
So deep.
Okay, so that's one game. So we kind of already have an idea of what.
Look at this one. Push.
So so this is that game. We have an idea. Then you can keep playing, but we're going to see what the other one's like. So you can choose which one you like. Learning coins.
Sort.
Learn, sort. Which one do you want to do?
Learn.
Learn. This is a penny.
Okay. Here, click next.
A penny is worth 1 cent.
Next.